Yep, you're right. This guy's deaf.
Oh, what the? I hate to break the news, but
Alright, let's
what's
see
the
what this
inventory
fucker wrote.
button? What's the inventory button? Inventory. Why is it no tab? Alright, hang on. I'm breaking down suitcases. That's what we had to do. Grenades? What the fuck? There's grenades in here, dude. Oh, fuck rabbit, get that.
Oh, I farted. It smells so bad. Alright, so we got a knife. Halakbar! 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 Halakbar!
I.
Oh, it smells so bad.
Oh, what? At least it's better than that gas lighter we had from the last game.
No, my fart. It smells terrible.
What have you been eating?
Oh, it smells like gunpowder.
It smells like gunpowder. Explosive fart. Look at this Kelvin.
Kelvin's a retard.
He's a retard.
How do I get this shit off my screen?
Oh, Kelvin. we gotta get away from Kelvin.
Halakbar!
Kelvin's not following us. You retard, man.
Alright, he can go kill himself. I don't care. Alright, we're in the game now, baby. This is we're in the real shit now.
Okay, I got a spear. It's a oh, get that fucker, dude. Shoot that beat him to death.
That's our first cannoli. Okay.
Cannibalize him. Oh, hang on. Let me get my
Cannibalize him. Yummy arm.
Do you think Kevin would really care if we did this? Hey! Arrows,
Oh,
we
there's
need
one
feathers.
monkey on me. It's literally a monkey. Holy sh! It literally looks like a monkey. Die. It's a monkey. Cannibalize him. Cannibalize. Cannibalize.
Watch this.
Goodbye.
Bye
Goodbye,
bye.
my back to the
Goodbye.
lobby.
Oh, there's a cave down here. What the f? What? Huh? He had a slingshot on him.
Ooh. They're Viet
It's
Cong,
Vietnam,
they're in the
Viet
trees.
Congs.
Alright, well our lighter ain't gonna help us with so, oh, these caves actually look a lot cooler. Holy hell.
Remember that one time where I got stuck in that one cave, like we had to go in
How
the
do we
water?
climb up? There's like a thing right here. A zipline, how do we use it? I don't think we're even able to. Like, I don't think the game will even let us.
No, I think we need like some sort of zip line tool or something like that. Because, yeah, it has like an icon in there. If we probably, I guarantee if we had the tool that we needed, probably like the icon would change.
Maybe it would be like the regular forest where there was like, there's a.
No, what are you doing? We had to sneak up on it.
Whatever.
No, throw it.
We
Hang
got
on,
some
throw it.
rabbit.
I'm gonna go throw it. I'm gonna go throw it.
We got some wabbit.
Oh, it's easier now. Hang on. Hey, we got
Pick
it.
it back up.
Yeah. Okay, it's starting to get dark out. We need to build a
we should,
base.
instead of building a tree base, we should build like a log cabin.
A log cabin. I don't
Yeah.
think we should make it in the middle of everything. You know, I think we
Whoa,
should make
what
it.
the f?
What's going on down here? Oh, it's a camp. It's a camp. It's a camp.
Oh shit, look how many there are. Holy f.
Just
Raid,
drop
raid,
'em.
raid, raid.
It's just drop 'em, dude.
We're like terrorists in this monkey. Watch out.
Ah!
Oh, this one's cool.
Oh,
Get
there's another one.
monkey.
What the?
Die. What the hell? That doesn't even look like a cannoli. Wait, chill. Oh, it is.
Is it? Oh, I missed.
We're getting kind of hungry. You know what we gotta do.
We need to build a fire.
We have some cannoli. You know that, right?
Okay, I'm building a fire.
Oh, did you just put the sticks down?
Yeah, you just put the sticks down, you break them up, and then.
Cannoli. More cannoli.
Look at this fucker. Behind
Is it
you.
cooked yet?
Behind you.
Oh, hello. I found wire. There's wire. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Exotic, I think we should run. I think we should run. I think we should
Take all the bones. Take all the bones. Take up all the bones. Get the
Ah, monkey! Fuck. Feel the man.
We must
power,
fight off
monkey,
tonight.
get teabag.
burn him, burn him, burn him, burn him, burn him, burn him.
Yeah, let me get
Fire
these
for
bones.
the fire god.
I want to get these bones. I want to get these bones.
Fire
There's
for
some
the
nice
fire god. Yeah, oddly relaxing for burning corpses.
I'm eating this random thing I found on the ground.
Oh yeah, you have a can opener, right? You can like open that and stuff like that. I don't think it
Yeah.
like rots.
This meat on the floor is like helping me.
Floor meat. Oh, see that guy? See that guy over there? There's a zombie.
You.
Behind you, behind you, behind you, behind you.
Holy hell, they do a lot of damage.
Oh, I'm about to die. Don't die, don't die, I'm about to die. Got him. Got once down. I'm down.
Where we at? Whoa, where are we at? What the f? Were we in like a canoe? Like a canoe. Or like a
cocoon.
Bro, it's scary as f, dude. Whoa. Look.
What's the C4? C4. Blow that bitch up.
I don't have any. I don't have
Look.
any. You, motherfucker. Q.
Fire in the hole!
Ah! You killed
We got him.
Skinny, he's not dead.
We got him.
Whoa.
Hey, like he just
jizzed.
comes. Yeah, he just comes.
There's tools everywhere.
He just jizzed.
How do I
Yeah,
look?
heal. Swear, it looks like the old one, the same one. That's like the first one.
It looks like
I like
I'm
the fact
covered
you're staying-
it looks like I'm covered with the inside of a vagina.
Light. Oh. Shit. Well, speaking of vaginas, he actually looks like one. Holy shit. Lodge it in there. Lodge it
He
in
is
there.
a vagina.
He jizzes out like.
I hit him right in the
too.
f***ing head. Give me my spear, bitch.
Oh, I didn't light it.
He's on the ground. He's on the ground. He's on his knees. Okay, eat that, monkey.
Ew,
Oh, he
jizz.
came. He came. He's dead. Bro, this is fun as hell. There's another one.
I don't have any mollies. I don't have any mollies.
On the floor, monkey. Ah. F he's eating up my armor. Bro, he's just wailing his head. Eat that spear. He came. That's
keep
like the
grabbing
best thing
people.
they added. That's the best thing they added. Cannoli just comes. He come. He's dead. Uh-oh, whoa, what the f***?
It's this
Oh!
Grapple!
A rope gun.
And ammo. Okay, let's get going, dude.
Oh, this is awesome, bro. This is so cool. Let's
Can we
go.
like shoot him
Oh.
with the rope gun? Oh my gosh. Oh hey, it's Kelvin. Probably like.
Alright, we
for
need
like
to
a few
find like a
years.
really good place to set up base. I kinda wanna have like a log cabin. Like I wanna have a cabin. That'd be so cool. Like a log cabin with like
Okay.
fence.
Let's build it near the coast though.
Let's
build
think
it
of
near
what we
the
should do.
coast.
Should we build a base on water? Like platforms maybe, and then a cabin on water? Or like what should we do?
Yeah, I want that. I want that actually. Yeah, I want cap. That's what I wanted.
Maybe
like,
we should
first
live on
time.
the ocean.
Yeah, live on the ocean. Let's have like a houseboat and stuff like that. Can you res me? I jumped a little. I just fell like 2 meters and I just died.
No, we're looking for all those people that we. Or maybe
Yeah.
those were companions
But-
that we can like have.
Yeah, but what's the main reason why we're here? Probably supposed to look for Timmy.
No, Timmy's already gone.
I know, but like,
Maybe he went back.
yeah, he went back probably. Pistol rail.
He's like, Daddy, I feel like a mutant. I want to go back. Starfish. Ow. What the f is that? Give me up here. Give me the f up here. What the f is that?
What happened?
Something in the water.
I don't know what you're talking
the
about. I got armor on, should be fine.
Whoa, it's like shark. Oh!
Help! Help!
Gun, there's a gun. A gun.
Help!
Climb, 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 climb. Hold E. I got a gun. What's up, motherfucker? Let's go.
Give me a gun. I'm gonna die.
Boom, let's go. Let's go.
Paddles, guns, everything. Grab just spam E.
MREs. We'll kill him whenever we get whenever we get a 12 gauge. We'll blow his fucking head off.
Then he'll hear us.
Yeah.
Whoa. Building spot.
Oh, this
This is
looks
where-
really
this is
like
our-
a good spot.
Yeah, this is our base. This is going to be our base right here.
Golf carts around here.
Oh, cave.
Whoa, cave. Yeah, I guess that's
Yeah.
what that was bringing us to. Let me equip some armor though. This cave looks dope. Oh. Bro, those motherfuckers. Oh.
Whoa, look.
Uh-oh. A food and dining.
Food and dining? There's a bunker.
Please
This is our
open.
base now. This will be our base.
This is actually sick. This should be our base. That is. Oh no, this should be where we farm. That we should farm this shit.
Yeah, we should. Our base should be at that field, and if we need
A
food,
steak
just come
bite.
here.
A steak bite. Well, I guess that's it. Wait, can we waypoint this?
I don't know how do you make waypoints though. I don't know how do you access
Can't we
the build
put
menu.
Can't we put a camp? Like we did in the force?
Yeah, I don't know how you do that though.
It's dawn. No, it's dark. That's what it is.
Shit, you
Yeah,
think we should head
build.
back inside?
Nah, do we need to build this? Because we can't forget. If we just put a shelter out here, then it will mark it.
Are you shooting birds?
Yeah.
Bro,
I'm
wait,
bird watching. Oh, I need a 12 gauge and just.
I
a
just hear
flock of birds
gunshot. I just hear gunshots and birds just screaming. That's all I hear.
How much ammo do I? I still have a lot of ammo.
Okay, how do I place down the flooring? Not how you do flooring.
Nice. It's fucking great. It's like work.
Oh no, we have to build like a little X or something like that.
It won't let me place one.
Holy
down.
shit, she's back! She's back! That's the thing that makes that noise. It's the thing we're looking for.
Don't approach 411s. Click G. Click G. Click G. Click G. Why is she running?
Chase after her.
What if we need to drug her?
Look at our slave, hard at work.
Alright, we need to finish her thing though.
She's back! Do I have a,
Should I just shoot her?
No. I got a skull. Hey, I got a skull. Shoot her.
Alright, where's she at?
Oh, oh, there she is. She's commanding. She just commanded.
Oh, she's up here now. Take this call, bitch.
She's dead.
Dude, that's awful.
We need to burn her. Hide the evidence.
Why does it sound like that?
It
It sounds like he has autism. He's like, oh, base. Whoa, what the f is this? Oh! I didn't think those were cannolis. I don't know. He's grasping for air and I just He is a vagina.
I own this village now.
He just ate that. Oh! It's the gold mask you was talking about. What the fuck?
There's a boat motor. Did he hear that? Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh fuck.
It's done like this. Oh, what the f? What the f?
What the hell?
A stun gun? Holy shit. What the f is that?
What?
Holy shit. Did you just see that thing?
No?
It was
Can't
massive.
see
It was massive.
What's up?
Holy shit. I'm making some explosives. I don't care, dude. Rebreather. Rebreather. Holy shit. Rebreather.
What the fuck? Where's
Swimming up.
Subnautica now?
Oh, we're outside. Oh, look who it is. Look at that f***ing retarded ass man over there. Okay. I'm tearing. I can't breathe. Oh my gosh. I can't breathe, dude. I'm not sure which is more fun. Exploring caves or throwing pebbles at Kelvin.
Allah Akbar! Allah Akbar! Asma Allah Akbar! Asma Allah Akbar! Asma Allah Akbar!
Oh, there he is. He hung himself.
Who is it?
This guy.
Maybe everybody that like we're tracking is either hung themselves or buried themselves. Or got buried, you know?
Oh, I got him. He had a flashlight.
There we go.
Oh, this is cool actually. Ah, a lot of miners too. Not like I mean like that.
There's
oh,
a lot more. He's coming everywhere. Look at him come.
Oh my gosh, he's nodding
He's
without
squirting.
permission.
Who's getting the stuff?
Whoa, there's lights over here. Look. Holy
I see
shit.
that.
That's like a facility. What the fuck?
Shovel.
Shovel.
So, what the f is this?
Oh, we can't go
Yeah.
any further. You, dude.
Oh, he's serious. Can I like whack him? Oh, you can like stab him. Look, bro. No f***ing way I died to a baby. Are you f***ing kidding me with this game?
It's a bunker.
Another
Holy
bunker.
shit. So the green marks mean bunkers. I see the inside of your eyes too.
Yeah, it's like all pink, bro. It looks like you're high.
Why don't we just live here?
I know, dude. Like, this can be my room.
This dude is a 3D printer. I can print arrows. Grappling hooks.
Oh, those
tech mesh.
parts.
Tech
That's
mesh.
what-
Tech mesh. I'm printing that. I'm printing that. I got the keycard. I got a keycard. Because it just works. Oh my gosh, if you're a Fallout fan, you understand that.
Bro, this is probably the latest we've ever been up together.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, it's the weekend. Who gives a good
Oh. Well, we got food for days.
crossbows?
I found a crossbow.
You gonna stop looking at it, or you gonna shoot the motherfucker?
Oh, one
Oh,
shot.
yeah.
Jesus Christ. You should shoot one of the
What?
babies with the crossbow.
Oh, really?
So hilarious. They just go flying.
Watch out.
What just happened? It just got
What
snowy.
could go wrong?
I died. He just teleported in front of me. He spawned right in front of me.
Run.
I died. He spawned right on top of me.
Fuck.
I died. He spawned right on top of me.
God damn it.
I died. He
God
spawned right
damn
on
it.
top of me.
Yeah, I died.